Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here one of the best super robot mecha from the mecha anime or super robot mecha anime Combattler V. So I have here the Super Minipla or the Shokugan modeling project from Bandai, which is the Combattler V. So this Combattler V is one of the most popular robot in Japan, and also it arrives in the Philippines. And I watched this series when I was in grade 5, grade 4 or grade 5. So that was year 2000, something like that. But this Combattler V was aired during 1976 to 1977, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So for the Japanese, this is more popular than Voltes 5 because this is the first one to be aired before Voltes 5. But here in the Philippines, Voltes 5 is much popular than Combattler V. But for me, they are all good. And also Daimos. And I hope Bandai will create the Tosho Daimos Super Minipla someday. I think they had already, but it's very small. I don't like the scale or the proportion of that kit. Anyway, let's talk about this Combattler V and let's open and check what's inside. So the box here looks black, and it's a lengthwise size box, and you can see here Combattler V wielding his Combattler blades. I don't know what's this blade called, I forgot already. And we can see here on the other side Combattler V Super Minipla, and there we can see Combattler wielding the Super Yo-Yo or Super Electromagnetic Yo-Yo, and in the box you can see some ridges here where you can open this here, I think. But why would I do that if I can open here? See, so by the way, this model is the old release, because the new release right now has more parts and more accessories included, but I choose to buy the simple one because I don't like keeping so much plastic in my inventory, because I don't like that. So I just like the simple version, which I bought from Shopee, to be honest, for about 3,000 pesos. I think I got a discount, so I bought this only for 2,500. Anyway, if you open this lengthwise box, or this kind of horizontal like box, I don't know how this thing called, you will see 4 small boxes. So you can see there are numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so if we open that, you will see 4 boxes. So we have here the Combattler V model kit here in the front cover of the box. You can see some action poses here and the contents. So the first box we are about to expect on this box, so this is the one we are about to expect, the Combattler Jet and this Combattler Lander, I think, and the Combattler V head. So in the second box, the Battle Cruiser, I think this is the Battle Cruiser, and set of hands and blades. So here in the third box, the Battler Tank and the Battler Yo-Yo, and some wheels for the tank, I think. And for the number 4, the Battler Frigate, and some parts for attaching the lift for the Combattler Tank, because Frigate carries the I forget, is this a frigate or the Combattler Marine, something like that. Anyway, it carries the Combattler tank with these parts there, and some hip parts, hip replacement parts. So this is what the contents are all about in this box. So we have two, the third box and the fourth box. First, second, third, fourth. So let's open this. I didn't open this yet, so I don't need this cutter. I saw some ridges here, so I just press this thing and yep, open this like this, and we can see there's this gum, the soda flavored gum from Super Mini Pla. So we have here the model kit runners to create the Combattler V. So this is the Battler jet, the lander, the head, and some clear parts here. And I don't know what's this. This is the eyes of Combattler. So it's pre-painted piece there. So there we have the first box. So let's open the manual. So we have here the manual for how to do the first box. So there we have the Battler jet and the lander, and then yep, it's all printed in a coupon bond like paper. And this is how we combine the four robots here, the five jets here to form the robot. So there you can see Combattler V figure, and how to make him as the battler tank mode. So let's open the second box. Let's press here. Second box, we are expecting to see the Combattler arms. So there are the blades. These are the blades. These are I think this is the, I forgot the name. Maybe I'll research more about this Combattler because I forgot what their jets are called. Please comment it in the comment section. And there we can see the torso, the upper torso part, and the hands. So we have another gum here, soda flavored gum. So we already have two gums, and this is the instruction. So the instruction manual here. There we can see how we can combine or assemble this piece here. Okay. So I will not open this all because it will cause confusion on my part. So I will make them separate. Unlike what I'm doing before with a quick runner review, now I will not do that because it will be more confusing on my part. So I opened already 1 and 2. So let's open the third box. See the battle tank and the battle yo-yo. So there are no more gums, I think. There's a gum, soda flavored gum. Okay, we have 4 gums now. So this is for the lower torso part, the tank. So this is how we do the tank here. We have the tank parts, the battle yo-yo parts there, and the clear yellow parts for the yo-yo string, electromagnetic string, yo-yo string there. Okay. And we have the instruction manual. Let's check the instruction manual. Instruction manual here, we can see how to assemble the tank. Okay, so it's not that complicated. And there's the tank and how to build the yo-yo parts. Okay. And finally, we have to open the fourth box for the battle. I think this is the battle marine, the right term for that. So the battle marine. And there's the gum again. So we have 4 gums already. So while doing this, we need to chew the gum. So we have 4 gums already. So this is the battle marine there, and parts for lifting the battle tank. There's the clear part for the cockpit, and we have correcting stickers there, or foil stickers. Okay, so let's check first the instruction manual. We have here the manual. So this is how we build the leg. This will act as the leg of the Combattler V. Okay, and there, it's very simple, very straightforward. And there we can see how to attach the battle tank to the battle marine there. Okay, so now let's combine this 5 sheets here and do the Combattler V. Okay, so this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye. God bless, and wait for the review of this Combattler V robot. Hello, I'm now doing the box number 1 for this 2 fighter jets, the head fighter and the feet fighter of the Combattler. So that's the battle lander and the battle jet. And we can see we have here pre-painted parts for the head. So this is the V, stands for Combattler V, the victory. So there, I already cut the V from the runner, and we have pre-painted face part for the eyes. So this is the eye. So these are the runners for this box number 1. Now we open the box number 2 for this kit. So this is the battle cruiser, and we have here gray runners. Actually not gray, but grayish white runner. We have metallic gray runner for the hands, red runners for the chest part, blue runners for the forearms, another gray runner for the hands and manipulator set, red runners for the torso, and we have here yellow runners for the wing, binders, and the sword. We have here gray runners for the joint parts, and finally silver runners for the blade. We also have a clear blue runner here for the canopy and some foil stickers for this kit. Okay, let's build this Box number 2 of Combattler V. Now we're going on to the third part of the kits assembling, which is the box number 3 for the Combattler V. We have here the clear parts for the yo-yo strings, and we have yellow parts here, clear parts or clear blue parts for the canopy of the battle tank. We have here gray parts for the inner frame, orange part for, I think this one for the battler missiles, and the tracking wheels. We have here the super yo-yo blades here for runner K3 silver runners. We have white runner here, red runners, blue runners, and another gray runner here, and foil sticker for the number 3, since this is the battle tank. Okay, let's do this. Box number 3 of Combattler V. Now we're in the final box of Combattler V, which is the box number 4, the Battle Marine. So these are the parts for the Battle Marine. We have white parts here, gray parts for the inner frame, red parts for the battle yo-yo, yellow parts for the feet connection. This gray parts here for lifting the battle tank. We have red parts here for the boosters, and blue parts for the armor pieces. We have separate white part here for the fins, and clear blue parts for the canopy. And we have foil sticker for the decals. So let's build this and complete the Combattler V Mecha robot. Now I finally completed the Combattler V set, and it's all done. The battle jet, tank, cruiser, marine, and the lander. So these are all complete now with the extra parts here. So these are the battler yo-yo parts, and for the landing gear or the lifting gear for this frigate here, hip replacement parts, the hand parts, and the Combattler V head. So now we will combine this shit and wait for the review.